For approximately a decade, Chile has been advancing steadily in the conversion and installation of cold systems and new technologies that not only have no impact on the ozone layer, but also have an ultra-low global warming potential. From the Chile Ozone Unit, we have been drivers of this transition through our commitment to the work of the Montreal Protocol and the Kigali Amendment and efforts to mitigate climate change. How has this transition been? The local ozone unit tirelessly performed and implemented many activities in 2015 and part of 2016 to facilitate and respond to concerns from the potential beneficiaries to embrace the initiative. Some of these activities were seed capital from the Multilateral Fund of the Montreal Protocol to cover incremental cost given to 2 companies for their first facilities with transcritical CO2, $720,000 on 3 projects. International experts invited, 2 workshops conducted. Detailed training course to trainers, technical personnel from supermarkets and local experts, and facilitation of meetings between providers and supermarkets. Thanks to the consistency and the persistence of the initiative and problem-solving capacity and the joint effort of United Nations Development Programme, Climate and Clean Air Coalition, Multilateral Fund, Chile Ozone Unit, 2 of the main supermarket operators in Chile started and opened 3 transcritical CO2 large supermarkets. 2023 Chilean Supermarket Industry Profile. Transcritical CO2 installations service 150,000 square meters of sales area, approximately 5.8% of the total sales area of supermarkets. Emblematic retail case, reconversion of Henua supermarket in Rapa Nui, Chile, to transcritical CO2. The most significant example of the replicability that the conversion to transcritical CO2 systems has had is Rapa Nui. More than 3,600 kilometers from the continent, the Henua supermarket has adopted innovative solutions that not only involve the decision to use transcritical CO2, but also aim at energy efficiency through the use of renewable energy. 2021. Company, Henua Supermarket. Replacement objectives. Improve the technology installed on Rapa Nui. Contribute to tourism development. Since there was a lack of this type of structures, the aim was to improve the standard of living of the community. In Rapa Nui, energy is generated with oil, and its price is 3 times higher than those paid in the rest of Chile. The incorporation of these technologies which directly affect the food chain is in full harmony with the island's seal, ecological tourism.
La sustentabilidad hoy día es parte del negocio. Genera una rentabilidad que aporta a las empresas en marketing y sobre todo en ahorros de energía.
Innovative solar solution. Characteristics. 256 solar panels that generate 105 kilowatts. Use of 32 storage batteries to ensure uninterrupted operation during the night and day. Programmable inverters that can synchronize 3 energy sources simultaneously and at will. Transcritical CO2 refrigeration system. Characteristics. High energy efficient natural refrigerant. Security system controlled by satellite 24 hours a day. Environmental benefits. Electricity can be generated without using oil. Energy efficiency. Autonomous supermarket, not dependent on the island's electrical grid. Satellite monitoring provides confidence in terms of food safety and traceability. 30% energy savings. Quick return on investment due to the high cost of energy. More and better business. For the first time on the island there is a variety of fresh and frozen foods, which means more well-being of the population and improvement in the quality of life of the community. These reconversion processes have also reached other actors in the cold industry. First sustainable and automated frozen storage logistics operator in Santiago, Chile. 2023. Company, Friasan. Latin America is experiencing a substantial increase in the construction of frozen logistics centers. Chile is not the exception. Food safety and the correct operation of energy-efficient cold chains have become crucial, which means that increased investment in this sector is on the rise. For the development of the project, the following objectives were set. Use of 100% certified renewable energy. Rationalization in the use of energy. Minimize use of water and reuse of grey water. Anti-seismic construction standard up to 9 degrees magnitude earthquake. Use of CO2 as refrigerant gas.
Hoy día les entregamos un frigorífico en donde se guarda alimento, en donde todas las energías son limpias, donde estamos con certificación LEED, donde ocupamos energía renovable. Nosotros estamos certificando nuestra energía que ocupamos de la red y eso conlleva a que el beneficio futuro sea indudablemente mayor al que de uno convencional.
This facility has 2,000 kilos of refrigerant, transcritical CO2. If the plant had been made with a 5U7, it would have had to install 3,500 kilos. With a 5U7, approximately 12,000 kilos could have been released into the atmosphere in 15 years, which is equivalent to 46,800 tons CO2e. On the other hand, with the implemented solution, 6 tons of CO2e will be released. In 2023, the adoption of sustainable technologies in refrigeration in Chile is a fact. This process has meant continuous progress in the replacement of cooling systems, advancement in energy efficiency, high replicability. It has turned out to be good business for the industry. The industry is moving towards carbon neutrality, and collaboration between government agencies, companies and experts has been essential in this process. Let's continue working together to build a cooler and more efficient future.